Hey guys, Rich here with the tool swing. I went and bought a Hercules belt grinder, did some mods to it, but my goal was to see if it would fit on a tool swing, and I believe it worked out pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and show you with that camera angle going up and down a couple times. Push it back, shove that down. This is kind of hooking right on the back there to hold it. Kind of up under there. Works pretty good. I mean, that gets it out of the way for you. Works. I'll bring it back up, change the camera, so I can show you what I did. So when these come, this only goes backwards. I took this pulley off along with all the guards. The guards are really flimsy, but I took this pulley off, the 24 millimeter nut, buzzed that off, took the belt off, of course. And then behind here, there's a plate that has 3 screws in it. You flip it around, and then that allows you to swivel it forward, which I think is the only way to go with this thing. I don't know why you would want it swiveled backwards, but that's the way they come. This, I think, would be way better. You can grind on this wheel. And I think eventually people are going to start modding this with different wheels, possibly, maybe longer belt with a knife maker grinder setup situation. I think this needs to be cut down. Belt comes off real easy. But I think this could be cut down straight across here just to eliminate that. So when you're using the belt on that top side, that hunk of crap's not in the way. I don't think it's going to hurt to get that out of the way. I think it's plenty well supported with all this down here. But my goal was just to see if it would fit on a tool swing, and man, it did. It fits nice. I'm going to show a little bit on the back here. I've got it slid. The tool swing slid back. Got it to where it just tight against the workbench when it pops up, not pinching the line cord. And of course it can stand up. You can use it that way. Let me try to move a little slower here. But it's a 1 horsepower 2x48 inch belt. And I'm going to come back over here and show you how nice it sits on the bench. I mounted this 3/4 of an inch behind or back. Right here's 3/4 of an inch from the front plate. And then I also mounted the whole tool swing 4.5 inches back. The bolt holes, center of the bolt holes are 4.5 inches back from the front of my workbench. And that seems to work perfect without pinching this cord. Now, there's almost no vibration. It runs really smooth. I set a glass of water on there and you can hardly see anything moving in the water. There's a little bit there in there. Let's set it on the workbench, see if we got. But I would say the tool swing works super well as long as you make that mod so it'll fold forward. Because she ain't swinging down unless you swing her forward. And then it's just this bolt right here that you clamp tight. I just got it kind of snug and it works well. These tool swings come with a hole in each corner of this top platform. I drilled them out to, I think they're 5/16. I drilled them out to these 2 to 3/8, put a little grommet in there. That holds the wrench. Tighten and loosen that thing up. I think that works pretty cool. And I'm going to go ahead and drop it down again and show you how far it goes back and how it kind of gets tucked back in there nice. Let me see if I can. I'm going to just set the camera down. I'll grab it in a second. That's tucked back in there nice. I'd say that's a success. Everybody needs a tool swing for one of those things, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.